First, we're providing new monetization opportunities and expanded access to more creators with the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube is a place where creators of all types can thrive, so we're building out the program to better reflect that and reward all the amazing content you create. Second, we're new ways for Shorts creators to sustainably grow on YouTube with ad revenue sharing and super thanks. We're and some next steps for you. So let's dive in. The updates to the YouTube Partner Program, also known as YPP, will make it easier for more types of creators to earn money, access exclusive benefits, and receive support as they grow their channels. Starting next year, YPP will now include expanded eligibility thresholds that give creators different paths to partnership. Creators can still apply to be a part of YPP once they've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, but this model might not work as well for everyone. So as an alternative, starting in 2023, creators will also be able to apply to the program with 1,000 subscribers and 10 million valid public Shorts views in the last 90 days, such as super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and channel memberships. These new eligibility thresholds for fan funding will apply to long-form video, live stream, and Shorts content. More details will come next year, but we hope this will help creators make deeper connections with their fans and make money earlier in their journey. To expand access to YPP and make this new suite of benefits possible, creators currently in YPP will be asked to sign new partner program terms starting early next year. We'll provide more info in the next few months, and we hope this update helps to empower more creators to have creative flexibility and to earn money in whatever way works best for them. Next, we're excited to announce new ways for creators to make money with Shorts. Our ads revenue sharing model has always been tied to creator success. YouTube only succeeds when our creators do. That's why we're expanding our ads business model into Shorts. Last year, we launched a temporary Shorts fund to reward creators and inform how we develop a long-term solution for sustainable growth with Shorts. Beginning in early 2023, all current and future YPP creators will instead be eligible for revenue sharing from ads viewed between Shorts in the Shorts feed. Revenue from these ads will be added together and used to reward Shorts creators and help cover costs of music licensing. From the overall amount allocated to creators, they'll keep 45% of the revenue, distributed based on their share of total Shorts views. The revenue share remains the same no matter if they use music or not. There are no changes to the existing revenue sharing model for other ad formats on YouTube. We also know there are many ways to make money on YouTube beyond ads. So early next year, we're expanding Super Thanks to Shorts, which will let viewers show their appreciation for their favorite Shorts and lets creators interact with their top fans through highlighted Super Thanks comments. And finally, we're launching Creator Music, a new way for creators to find and license music they can use in their videos while still earning ad revenue. YPP creators will be able to select songs from our growing library, pick a licensing option, and make their next video even more epic, all within YouTube Studio. The best part? You'll still collect revenue from ads. We plan on offering a wide range of licensing price points and usage options. Creators can choose to pay a sum up front to use music in their video and still keep the same ad revenue share they'd usually make on videos without any music. Or, for some songs, they cannot purchase a license and instead can share a fixed portion of the ad revenue with the artist or rights holder. We hope Creator Music will help creators to make even more engaging content and give them a chance to earn ad revenue from this content. And we're excited to provide artists with a new revenue stream and avenue to promote their music. Creator Music is currently in beta in the US and expanding to more markets in 2023.